Hello, boys. Once again, welcome back to your general knowledge online class. Today, we are going to learn the lesson Workmen and the Tools. So, boys, all of you take out your GK books and open to page number 44. Okay, so have you all opened your books? So, this is Workmen and the Tools. There are various types of tools which are required for the various types of work that people do. There is a common saying, a bad workman blames his tools. People say a bad workman blames his tool when someone says that something they have done is not of good quality because they did not have the correct instruments or tools. For example, we can take when Mary blamed the oven for burning the Christmas cake. Her husband jokingly said, a bad workman blames his tool. Another example, the football player blamed the rainy weather for his poor performance. But as they say, a bad workman blames his tools. So, boys, today we are going to learn about some people and the tools they use. All right. Now you can see this page is there in your book also. So match the persons to the pictures of the tools on the right. On the left hand side the people are shown and on the right hand side the tools are shown. Okay. So now these workmen we have to match with the tools they use. So now any guesses now? Which is the first workman? Do you recognize? Can anyone tell me? What does he have in his hand? He has a brush in his hand. So he is a painter. So what does a painter use? A painter uses a paint brush. Okay. So number 1 will match with D. D is showing a paint brush. Now the second workman, I'm sure you all must have guessed it. He's got something in his hand that you all are scared of. When you get this poke, no? He has an, what does he have in his hand? He has an injection in his hand and also a stethoscope with which he checks you, no? So he is a doctor. So what does a doctor use? What is his tool? A doctor uses a stethoscope. So number 2 will match with C. What tool has he used? A stethoscope. All right, boys. Now number 3. Now any guesses? This person has a book in his hand. So he is a teacher. And what do teachers use to teach you? They use a book. So the teacher's tool is the book. So number 3 will match with A. Now number 4, what does he have in his hand? He has a cake in his hand. Yes. So he is a baker. So what does a baker use? A baker uses a gas stove. But now these days bakers also use ovens to make cakes. But here in the picture, the baker has used a gas stove. You can also bake a cake on a gas stove also. So his tool is a gas stove. So a baker uses a gas stove. Now the last one is a fireman. What does the fireman use to put off the fire? He uses a pipe. A fireman uses a pipe to put off fire. So number 5 will match with B. Now once again ma'am is going to repeat from the beginning. The first one is a painter. A painter uses a paintbrush. Number 2 is a doctor. A doctor uses a stethoscope to check you. Number 3 is a teacher. A teacher uses a book to teach you. Number 4 is a baker. A baker uses a gas stove to bake the cake. And last one, number 5, is a fireman. He uses a pipe to put off the fire. Now, boys, you will do this exercise 1 in the book itself. Alright? You will do direct matching like ma'am has done in the book itself. This is your exercise 1. Please see it carefully. On top, ma'am has written exercise 1, and on the left hand side, you write today's date. Alright, boys? Please do the matching nicely and neatly. Use a ruler to draw the lines. Alright, now this is exercise 2, and you will do this exercise in your copy, in your GK copies. Alright, in copy number 9. So first you will write exercise 2, then on the left hand side you will write the date. Today's date you will write, remember. Then you leave a line, and in the next line write fill in the blanks. And then underline the fill in the blanks with your blue color pencils. Now the first fill in the blank is: a painter uses a dash to paint pictures. So what will you write in the blank? Brush. A painter uses a brush to paint pictures. Then you leave a line and underline brush with your blue color pencils. Now leave a line and go to the next sentence, number 2. A doctor uses a stethoscope to examine patients. Please copy the spellings correctly and underline with your blue color pencils. Next sentence is number 3. A teacher uses a book to teach students. Please underline book with your blue color pencils. Number 4. A chef uses a gas stove to cook food. Please don't forget to put a full stop after every sentence. And the last one, number 5, is a fireman uses a water pipe to put out fire. Please underline all the blanks with your blue color pencils, and when you finish your work, draw the finishing line also with your blue color pencils. Copy the work very neatly in your GK copies, copy number 9. And on the plain side, you can draw these tools. Alright, boys? Do your work very, very neatly. This is your exercise 2 you will do in the copy, and exercise 1 you will do in the book itself. So there are 2 exercises in this chapter. Alright, thank you, boys.